Welcome to the island of Newfoundland. That water in the background is the Atlantic Ocean, and we're about as far east as you can go and still be in North America. My name is Martin Erbland, and I wanted to tell you about a computer that I recently bought from Advanced Design of Kentucky. This is going to be a short 2 or 3 minute, testimonial, if you will, for how happy I am with their service and their product. It's going to be hard to do in 2 or 3 minutes because there's so many features I like. I originally had thought that I was going to specify what I wanted myself and purchase it locally or have someone build it for me locally, but I'm really glad I didn't, because it turns out I finally realized I didn't know enough to spec a computer by myself. ADK building such things as separate RAID arrays for the source and the render material on my videos. They're building a solid state drive for the operating system, which I never would have thought of, and I'm so very pleased with it. I've never had a computer that boots as fast as this one does. The whole thing just runs fast. It's overclocked, which I never would have done myself. I would have been frightened to do it, but it works perfectly. The entire system not only does video great, which is what I set out to buy the system for, but I do a lot of still photography, and I'm really amazed at how fast Photoshop and Bridge and all of those things work compared to what they used to work on my old computer. I guess you can tell I'm really pleased with the product. Beyond that, I'm even more pleased with ADK's service and customer orientation. It started right from when I received the package, which was, I was a little worried about shipping, but everything came packaged really, really well and securely. They've obviously had a lot of experience shipping things everywhere. There was no issues whatsoever with that. I unpacked the box and put it together, and it worked great. It did turn out, however, that I quickly after receiving it had a problem with one of my hard drives, and in a way it's a good thing because ADK was able to show me what fantastic service they've had. I've never experienced anything like it. I phoned them up immediately while I was on the phone. I didn't have to wait. One of their technicians logged into some remote software they have, which lets them diagnose my machine in Newfoundland from their office in Kentucky. I watched everything that was going on with the screen and talked to them on the phone while they did their thing. And, well, it was just amazing, really. The problem was eventually fixed, and everything is working fantastic right now. And didn't cost me anything. And it's actually hard to believe that a company can keep up that kind of quality service and still make a profit, but ADK has apparently been at it for 10 years, according to what I'm told, and seems to be doing a great job. Anyway, I'm one very pleased customer. I love the product. I love their customer service. I want to say thank you to Scott and Eric and all of the other people that I've dealt with at ADK. I wish you all the best, and you certainly have my vote for a place to buy a computer. If I were going to get another one, I'd certainly look to ADK to supply it. Thanks, and so long from the Atlantic Ocean and here in Newfoundland. All the best.